In this video, I'm going to cover how to install TVS LP46 Neo printer on a computer. To install this driver on your computer, you will need to download its driver first, and then you will have to install it. So please come on the screen. I will show you from where you can download this driver. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, you need to just right click on that and click on extract to. Open up this folder. Open up the subfolder and you will get a exe file. Just double click on that and make sure your printer should be connected to your computer and the power of the printer is on. Select that option. I accept and click on next. Click on next. Click on finish. If it is asking for permission, please click on yes. You will get a installation wizard. So select the first option and click on next. Select the USB one and click on next. Here you need to select the model number of your printer. Please go down and look for TVS printers. Here you go. This is the driver that you need to install. Select TVS LP46 Neo. Click on next. And here you need to select the port where your printer is connected. So I recommend you to select USB 001 and you can select the port where the model number is listed. If your printer model number 46 is listed, then you can select that and click on next. Click on next again. Click on finish. You can restart your computer if it is asking for, right? So I'm going to restart the computer. After restart, the printer will be installed successfully. So this is how you can install this printer on a Windows computer. If you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.